Alright, it's been 11 days since these girls moved in. Let's take a look and see how they're doing. So they've been working on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, working on 7 frames. I'm doing this later in the afternoon, so a lot of the foragers are already back in. So this one here, they've been bringing in nectar on the top part of this one. So that's all new comb. Got some larvae and eggs in this frame, so see if we can see the queen. That brood right here, all that's where the queen is laid, and the larvae have gotten older, and there'll be new bees soon. Well, the queen's doing a good job laying. There she is. You can see if I can get you in here to see her right there. Kind of that caramel colored. Give another shot right there where my thumb is. All right. We want to close them back up. And hope you have a good one and a safe one.